guys, we're back again. Today I wanted to do a bit of a special treat for my granddad. He's in hospital at the moment and one of his favourite dishes is Gramma Pie. So I'm going to teach you how to cook that. Really basic. All you're going to need is a lemon, a piece of Gramma, some sugar, caster sugar, some mixed spice, some sultanas and some golden syrup. So first things first, we're going to take the skin off the Gramma, cut it up in small pieces. So let's do that now. So once you've peeled and chopped up your Gramma, what we're going to do is we're going to put it in a saucepan, or in my case a wok because my saucepan's used, and you're just going to put it in and just lightly just put a bit of water in there, only just covering it, and we're going to let it simmer for 45 minutes. Alright, so once your Gramma Pie is done, all you want to do, chuck your Gramma into the bowl, chuck the rest of your ingredients in there, mix it all together, mash it all down, and then chuck it in the fridge for 20 minutes to cool off. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. I'll cut it open and give you a look. So there we go. One Gramma Pie. Bit of cream, eat it while it's warm, delicious. Thanks for watching.